Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by going straight into Settings and locating Accounts or Users and Accounts. This gets you to the controls. Once there, tap the Google account you want to manage so you see all sync toggles. Make sure you have a network connection because the list loads from the device. While you're here, note which Google services are active. This lets you decide what to pause without guessing and prepares you for the next step. Now you'll turn sync off where you don't need it. Flip each service like Contacts, Calendar, Drive, and Gmail to off. Once you've adjusted items individually, open the Account menu, 3 dots, and if desired, disable Sync Now or turn off Auto Sync Data to pause everything at once. Make sure to check App Info for core Google apps and restrict background data if you want to reduce background activity without removing the account. Finish by restarting your phone so the system applies the new sync settings and clears transient connections. After reboot, verify sync toggles remained off. If something persists, remove the Google account entirely from the Accounts menu and re-add it later with desired settings. If sync still reactivates, check battery optimization and background data exceptions because some services re-enable sync to maintain functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.